My letter was written by Fred Biesterfelt to Evelyn Corey on January 29, 1942. On this date, Fred was most likely stationed at Camp Callan, California, near San Diego. From this letter, I concluded that Fred either was in a relationship or thought he was in a relationship with Evelyn. An interesting mystery that I stumbled upon while transcribing this letter was Fred's reference to a woman named Helen. In the letter, he reassures Evelyn to tell Helen not to worry. When I first read that portion of the letter, I thought Helen may have been Fred's sister. Upon further research, I discovered that Helen was actually connected to a man named Harry Slack. In fact, I was able to find this picture of Fred, Helen, and Harry in Evelyn's collection. If Harry Slack sounds familiar, that's because he also wrote a few letters to Evelyn in the early 1940s. Fred and Harry seem to be from Tripoli, Iowa. The picture of Fred, Harry, and Helen is listed as being taken in Tripoli. This connection would make sense, as Evelyn taught third grade in Tripoli for 3 years in the early 40s. As I read through Harry's letters and Fred's other letters, I discovered that they referenced each other in almost all their correspondences with Evelyn. My letter seems to be the exception, as Fred does not mention Harry in it at all. However, the letter ends abruptly, so it is highly likely that the missing part could talk about Harry. In fact, the final paragraph could be telling Evelyn to reassure Helen that Harry will be fine.